Hi everyone, today's video will show you how to make some really cute Easter chickens and polka dot nails. So start off by painting your nails alternating pink and white, and then with a yellow striping brush just paint a kind of zigzag cracked up eggshell design. And then just fill in the rest of the nail with yellow. You want to take your time here so that you don't go over the lines. And then with a dotting tool and black polish, you're going to draw on the chicken's eyes. Take your time to get the right placement here because you want them to sort of be even. And then with orange nail polish, you're going to draw on its little beak. And then with that same yellow polish and a small dotting tool, you're going to do some polka dots on the pink nail polish. And then with the blue polish, more polka dots. I've seen something similar on the Google images, and I wanted to try the design myself, so not a completely original design, but wanted to recreate it. And then I'm just cleaning up a little polka dot that went over the edge. Perfect. I really like the effect of small polka dots. It's quite cute on the short nails. And then you go in with your thick fast strung top coat. I always use Sheshvit. And here's the design on both hands. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please thumbs up if you liked it, and have a happy Easter, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.